Hey everyone, so today's recipe is for a very special kind of samosa. We like to call it the crosshatch samosa. So for the first part of this recipe, you will need 500 grams of boiled potatoes, 4 tablespoons of rice flour, 1 teaspoon chili flakes, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 tablespoon chopped coriander, 1 tablespoon chopped green chili, and 1 tablespoon chopped green onion. So you're going to start off by mashing your potatoes. Now you can go ahead and season the potatoes with all the other ingredients listed for the first step. And mix it thoroughly. Now try to clump it together using your hands. Your texture should look something like this. Try to make sure that it has a sticky consistency. Now with the mixture, we're just going to make small potato kebab like so. So for the next part of this recipe, you will need 4 tablespoons of oil, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, half teaspoon of salt or to taste, half teaspoon cumin seeds, and 1 cup of water. So you're going to go ahead and add oil to the all-purpose flour. And use your hands to combine the dough together. Now you can go ahead and add the salt and the cumin seeds. And just continue to combine the mixture. Once you see that the mixture has a sticky consistency, add a little water where you find it necessary to properly combine the dough. And just continue to combine it. Until it looks something like this. Once your dough looks like this, it's ready. And cover it for at least 30 minutes. In the meantime, with 1 tablespoon of flour, add a little bit of water and mix it together. This will be important for one of the last steps of our recipe. Now we can go ahead and take the dough and open it after 30 minutes. And knead it to look like a cylindrical shape. Divide it into 4 or 5 parts and make them into little balls like so. Once you have 4 or 5 of these, you can go ahead and make them into circles like this. So you're going to want to flatten this out a little bit more with a rolling pin. Until your circle looks something like this, with a circumference of 20 centimeters approximately. Go ahead and divide it into 4 pieces like you would do with a pizza. Now this is the important part. Try and cut alongside the edges of each part as you see in this video. This will serve as the crosshatch design for our samosas. Now go ahead and cover this with the mixture we made earlier. And go ahead and put your little kebab onto the piece and wrap it like so. And they should look something like this. You can also store these for a very long time if you put them in the freezer. You can save them for iftar for another day or an iftar party. For the last and final step of this recipe, you're just going to need oil for frying, and you're going to go ahead and pour that oil into the frying pan. So you're going to fry them on medium-high heat until the crosshatch samosas turn into a beautiful golden brown color. As you can see, our crosshatch samosas are ready and look way more delicious than ever. These are perfect for iftar time and to satisfy that fried food craving. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Press the notification button to stay updated on our latest videos and share this with your friends. Thank you so much for watching, everyone, and have a great Ramadan.